For this we will need 1 cup of rice, 1 pound of ground meat. I'm using extra lean ground turkey. We will need 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic. If you want, you can add dill or cilantro, it's optional. So I finely chopped my onions, garlic and dill in this food processor. And approximately we will need 8 or 9 green peppers. So I'm using Cubanelle peppers, I just like the texture of it. And we will have to wash them and remove the seeds like this, and just prepare everything. So I'm gonna wash my rice. I like to wash the rice, and then I'm gonna blend all the ingredients. Now let's combine our stuffing together. So I have rice, our onions, salt, now just combine these ingredients together very well, so it's all nice and even. Heavy bottom pot, I'm using this Dutch oven, and you can fill it with the water. Approximately for this 5-quart pot, I'm gonna fill it with half with the water. So basically what I did, I rinsed my processor, I put cold water, so I'm just gonna rinse it, and this way all those chopped ingredients, they will actually won't go to waste and give nice flavor to our stock in which we will be cooking our stuffed peppers. And put on medium heat to get the water going. So fill it with the halfway full. So now we're gonna stuff our peppers. So I'm just gonna fill it with our stuffing. Make sure it goes all the way to the bottom so that our peppers are nicely filled from the bottom to the top. You don't have to compress it very hard. This way it will allow all our ingredients to cook very well, especially like rice. It will need some space once it cooks. This will allow water and heat to cook rice perfectly. So just fill it till it's filled, and then fill the next, and like that. Just keep filling them until you fill all your peppers or till your stuffing finishes. I filled about 7 peppers. So now my water is boiling, still on medium heat. And now I'm just gonna place this stuffed peppers in the boiling water. Be careful not to burn yourself because water is very hot. So basically just place them horizontally so they're all immersed in the water. This will allow them to cook evenly because we have a lot of stuffing inside these peppers, so we want them cooked very well since there's meat, and it's important to cook them very well. So this is how I placed my peppers, and just allow the water to boil very well. So now the water is boiling very well. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover it with a lid and reduce my temperature to minimum. So, and then now I'm gonna let it cook for 40 to 45 minutes. So it's ready to serve now. It's been 45 minutes. It smells amazing. So I'm gonna serve it on this plate. It's so appetizing. I wish you could smell. So this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna garnish it with some green onions and a little bit freshly chopped dill. And that is some amazing food. So let's try this. There is a lot of filling, so this will fill you up if you eat just 1 or 2 of this. It's very tasty. This is very delicious food. I recommend for everybody to try, and it's very healthy. So give it a try. Let me know how it turned out for you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.